Did you know that you can use your existing Lightning record pages and customize those pages to decide what components to display on mobile? That's right. With the new Lightning mobile app, you can customize individual pages and change how they look and feel on mobile and have still one page to manage as an admin. So let's take a look at how you can start customizing your users' mobile experience on record pages. So we're back in our Sunshine Chocolates Winter 20 org. And let's always start on our new Salesforce Mobile App Quick Start page and setup. This is going to give us all of the tools that we need to go through the steps to roll out mobile. So we've already upgraded our users and created that permission set. We already looked at apps to make them available. Now let's look at how to update our pages for mobile. In the Mobile App Quick Start, we have an Update All of Our Pages button that allows us to automatically add the mobile form factor to all of our customized Lightning pages. However, we're not going to click that now. We're going to go back through and take a look at the before and after of updating pages. So right now I'm looking at my opportunity page. I have not customized this page in Lightning, and this is going to be available for mobile by default. So when I open my mobile app on this opportunity page, I haven't customized this Lightning page at all. I've got my details tab, my chatter tab. Notice the activity timeline is not on mobile. So that's the only thing that's different here. And I've got my related list on the right. So we use those tabs to click in to really optimize our screen real estate on mobile. And I can also engage with Path on mobile as well and use it to update my deals. The highlights panel is where we get those fields that are added up the top with our compact layout. But let's take a look at our custom page for our project object. So this is a custom Lightning page. I've got a screen flow. I've got my tabs set up. I've got a lot of fields on my compact layout. So I've customized this page. But when I open it on mobile, because the page isn't available for mobile yet, I've got my out-of-the-box record page on mobile. So now let's go into Edit Page, and what we're going to do is activate this page for mobile first. We go into Activation, and I can see the option for org default to add another form factor, so I can add phone here. So this is what that button would have done if we had clicked it in Setup. If I open this page in mobile, now I've got my path and my compact layout reflected here. Awesome. But let's go ahead and customize this further. I want to really optimize this screen real estate. So I want to take this flow component off of my mobile screen. It's a great component, but it's something that we're using on desktop. So I click into filters for the component, filter type device, and there's a field for form factor. So I can say only show this when the form factor equals desktop. That means that this flow component will not be shown when this page is viewed on a mobile device. Let's maybe add some more functionality for mobile though. So let's go ahead and bring another report chart component onto the page. Because the activity timeline is not available on mobile, I'm going to go ahead and bring my really useful project activity status report chart onto this page. But this report, I only want to be available for mobile users. So I can go into Add Filter under Component Visibility. And again, I can select Device, Form Factor, and this time I'm going to select Only Show this component when the form factor equals a phone. I always save my pages as I'm working, and I've saved my page. Now I have one page where I'm managing my project views. However, I can have different experiences for mobile and desktop within this one page. I can also preview where things live in this phone preview for the canvas. So this will show components that are hidden via filters. However, this does give you a good idea of how things are ordered on the page for mobile as well. So you can go back and forth between phone and desktop and see how they look. Now let's go ahead and save this page and take a look at it in action. So I'm back on my project page and I still have that flow screen. It looks pretty much the same as it did before. However, when I open the mobile app for this page, I see my compact layout, my highlights panel here, my path. And as I scroll down, I don't have that flow. I do still have that status overview chart. And I also have a new chart for product activity status, which is not on the desktop page. Now we've built a custom experience for mobile and desktop in one Lightning page. So I can't wait to see all of the custom dynamic pages that you're building for your users to be accessible across mobile and desktop users. Also, make sure to catch up on videos 1 and 2 if you haven't viewed those yet, where we cover how to start rolling out mobile for your orgs and also how you can customize your mobile experience and personalize it for your users. Stay tuned, we've got 2 more videos coming, and make sure to follow along on the trail mix on our YouTube channel or on admin.salesforce.com so you can earn those badges and be ready for mobile in winter. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.